Hey everyone, I'm Brian the Bean Counter, your go-to guy for making numbers make sense. If you've ever stared at a mountain of data in Excel and wondered how am I going to add all these up without losing my mind, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add up your numbers in Excel using the Sum feature. Let's turn those spreadsheets from scary to simple. Let's get started. So here we are in Excel, and I've created just a simple list of numbers that I want to sum. I want to add them up, but I want Excel to do it for me. So the way that I would do that is, if I want my answer to be in cell A11, I'm going to select cell A11. And the formula for adding a group of numbers or adding different numbers, and we'll get to that in a minute, but the formula starts with an equal sign. So I'm going to hit equals, and then I'm going to say sum, right? So I'm telling Excel, I want this cell, A11, to equal or be equal to the sum of something. So now I have to tell Excel what that something is. And so I want to put a group of numbers together. I want to group some numbers together. So I'm going to start with an open parentheses. And now I have to say, what's the first cell that I want in this group? Well, the first cell is this 8 here, which is in cell A1. So I'm going to type cell A1. The other option is I can actually click cell A1. And now I want to go cell A1 through cell A10, not cell A1 and A10, but through. And I'll explain the difference between through and later. But I want the entire range of A1 through A10. So the way that you tell Excel through is a colon. So a colon means through in Excel. So now I'm going to click cell A10. And I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. And it gave me my total of 58. So, and you can see up in the formula bar here, equals the sum of A1 through A10. But let's say I don't want all of those numbers included in the answer. Maybe I want random numbers selected in my total. So the way that you do that is you say equals the sum, parentheses, and maybe I want every other number, for example. So I'm going to click 8, and now I'm going to click a comma, type a comma. And then 6, comma, 8, comma, 8, comma, 6. And now I'm done. So I'm going to click close parentheses and hit enter. Right? So if I click the answer here, 36, I can look up and see what is behind that formula. So in Excel, for the comma, think of the comma in Excel as saying and. So this is equals to the sum of cell A1 and cell A3 and cell A5 and cell A7 and cell A9. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button for more quick and easy Excel tips from Brian the Bean Counter.